5, 6.
I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Just like the light of the morning, after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. No, I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Together our two hearts are strong. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. All I wanna do is live with you.
This dance is Broke Back Waltz, choreographed by Barry R. Godfrey. It's a 48 count 2-wall waltz, and it's choreographed in 4 sections of 12 counts each, so that's how I'll teach it and count it. Section 1, starting with the left foot, left twinkle, right twinkle with a half turn right, full turn left, stepping left, right, left, step forward on right, touch, kick. Section 2, and step down on left, right twinkle, left twinkle with a half turn left, full turn right, stepping right, step forward, touch, kick. Section 3, and step down on right, left twinkle with a quarter turn left, weave, cross, side, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward on left, step forward on right, pivot a half turn left, full turn to the right, stepping right, left, right. Last section, walk forward, left, right, left, cross, back, cross, step back on left, sweeping right over 2 counts to make a half turn right, 1, 2, 3, and a basic waltz back. Weight is on right, and you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's the whole dance.